Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Thank you so much for being here. Today we're going to do a flip through introducing a new deck for our catalog here. We'll be using it as well. It's Christina Ricci's Cat Full of Spiders Tarot. And it comes with a deck book. The deck, the book, and a box, okay? And it's amazing. It's a huge box though. So you can put it on your shelf and look like a book, right? Love it. I love that idea, okay? 78 cards, standard tarot. She uses all the standard suits and everything for the minor arcana. And she basically created a storyline and collaborated with like 4 people, including her husband, to create this. And it's very cute. I love it. I think it's relatively new. It came out in 2024. It just took me a while to get it, okay? The book itself has over 120 some odd pages, okay? So what she does is, in this book, she'll give you a foreword and then an introduction on the characters that are woven throughout the storyline of the tarot, okay? So that you know who they are when they're pictured, okay? And then understanding your tarot deck. And then, of course, she goes through all the major arcana in the book here. 2 pages and a almost full-size card, full color. I absolutely love that she did this. So, all your standard cards, all the way, and in the back, caring for your deck, preparing to read tarot, and then spreads. Okay. Anything else about the authors and the illustrator? Okay. Every card in this deck is a standard tarot card, okay? All the back sides look like that with only minor gloss. Not even, it's pretty much matte. I mean, I'm pretty much forcing that. Okay? I do believe I had it upside down too. So as you can see, the back sides allow for reversed, okay? We'll do a quick flip through. I will shuffle a whole mess. We'll get our energy into it. I will pull a card. Hopefully I didn't put that last one. I did do that. I put that last one upside down. Thick cardstock, so it'll be nice and flexible and last a long time, okay? We have the Fool, the Magician, the High Priestess. This also helps break up the deck a little bit, get our energy into it. The Empress, the Emperor, the Hierophant. I'm going to do that. The Lovers, the Chariot, Strength, Hermit, Wheel of Fortune, Justice, Hanged Man, Death, Temperance, Devil, Tower, the Star, the Moon, the Sun, Judgment, the World, the King of Wands, Queen, Knight, Page, Ace, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We have the Suit of Cups, King, Queen, Knight, Page, Ace, well, Ace through 10, set that aside a little bit, have more room. I keep grazing it. Now your sword suit, king, queen, knight, page, and ace through 10. Make sure I don't pick up more than one. Now our pentacles, king, queen, knight. I absolutely adore how she designed these designed. Page, and your ace through 10. You can even recognize some of her characters from her movies. And the 10 of Pentacles. All right. I'll show you this box real quick, too. So I'm going to need to get it out of the way in order to do all that. So it looks like that all the way around. I'm going to try and get as much of it on screen as possible. And it does have a side that looks like a book binding, which is so cool. It has a magnetic flip close. And then a place where the cards can fit inside, if you can see that. There we go. Right here, where the spider is. And a ribbon that you can use to tuck it in, okay? And then the book can sit on top, and you can flip it out that way, all right? I'm gonna stick you here so we have plenty of space. All right. I'm going to do a side shuffle a few times to get our energy in it, and then I'm going to show you all the other shuffle styles, and then we'll pull a card. I will only be pulling the uprights, though, okay? For now, just so you can get a sense of how it reads in the book. Get this deck nice and flexible. All right, hand shuffle. All right, let's fan it out, see how it fans out without needing more work. I think if you work at this deck, get your energy in it, it'll fan out much more beautifully than that. I don't usually typically use that type, but just because my tabletop's also a little rough. For those that like to split the deck. All right. For those that would like to get reversals, let's get a bridge on. It also helps the deck be less sticky too. I'm going to try that one more time. That wasn't awful at all. I thought with the cardstock being so thick that my carpal would scream at me. But no. All right, good. Do a few shuffles to the side and we'll pull a card. If more than one comes out, we'll just take the top. Again, upright only. All right, let's get one, please. There we go. You have the Eight of Cups. There may be a sense of needing to move on from something or just walking away from something that no longer serves you anymore, okay? Let's see what other insight we can get from this right now without going too fast. April feels discouraged when she sees the tyrannical tiger regarding the remaining cups. How can a little girl possibly face such a powerful foe and win? The Eight of Cups represents a failure. Something in your life has fallen apart. Sometimes the only option is to walk away from a hopeless situation and come up with a brand new strategy. So maybe for some of you out there, there's a new way to look at something or do something at this time that will actually work better for you. Okay? Have a good one, guys. Bye.